Welcome to Toolkit.law, your legal asset management partner. Inside the Assets section of the Numbers module, the Inventory, Personal, Accordion offers a powerful form-based tool for lawyers handling client disclosures, estate planning, divorce proceedings, and asset division. It covers everything from cash and financial accounts, electronics, and household furnishings, to real property, separate property, trust and estate assets, and vehicles. Each section includes space to enter values and detailed legal comments for accuracy and context. You can also log community liabilities for a complete financial picture. With an intuitive toolbar featuring download, share, recycle, undo, and Toolkit.law suite integration, this tool helps legal professionals stay organized, reduce manual errors, and streamline their workflow. Whether you're preparing disclosures or managing estate inventories, Toolkit.law gives you clarity, control, and convenience, right when you need it.